And from Manila,
20 teams are anticipating the grander and much improved second season of the Cebuano Cup MPBA, or the Mandaue's Pride Basketball Association, which was officially launched last August 19. 3 months after the last season has ended, the new season will have its opening ceremony and the first basketball game this coming September 2 at the Cebu Port Authority Gym. MPBA founder Miguel Lomapas highlighted that what separates them from other basketball leagues is their initiative to create a more professional environment by improving the quality of their league presentation through the help of their sponsors and partners.
Sa Tanan Liga sa Cebu, MPBA is the most organized, and it is the league with a vision and the league with passion. And if we notice sa other leagues, ang rules dili kayo clear, dili kayo implemented very well. The organization there's a bit of slack, no, in the presentation of the league. We strive to be as professional as possible. And if you notice sa Facebook page, we constantly update play of the game, player of the game, so the players and their fans can look back at their highlights of the game and show it to their friends. So this league builds community, it builds camaraderie, all on the back of good sportsmanship.
Lumapas also hopes that MPBA will become one of the best growing leagues that will give everyone a decent basketball experience, which is their commitment to all their players, partners, and viewers. From the 20 teams that have signed up, 8 are returning groups from the first season, while others are new teams. Leading the competing teams are Season 1 champion Chalk and Trail and the finalist Arc Builders. The rest of the team for Season 2 include Mitsubishi, MTech, Void, Artera, Prey Boys, Monterroyo, among others. Similar to the inaugural season, the tournament will have 2 brackets, the South and North Conference. MPBA's Cebuano Cup is not just exclusive for Mandauehanans, as it is open to all Cebuano aspiring cagers. However, the organizers are reminding everyone that MPBA is an amateur league, which is why they discourage professional basketball players and current varsity players. MPBA Commissioner Fritz Edward Malinaw is excited to bring a better and more productive season for all the team players.
It's the teams coming in, so I can see that there will be a lot of more competitives coming in for this season too. So we expect more crucial siguro or more highlights of the games here because there are a lot of new players coming in and I'm sure it will be a competitive season. Message for the team players, good luck for this season. I'm sure you will enjoy this Cebuano Cup and just play and love the game.
After the grand opening at the CPA Gym, MPBA games will continue at the Mandaue City Sports and Cultural Complex for the rest of the season. This is 𝗁𝗏𝗃 for MyTV Cebu.